Challenges of an
Just a thought
executive
while I'm
VA.
working during my night shift. The executive virtual assistant life is not perfect. Merong mga circumstances na nahihirapan ka, may mga challenges, and these are the challenges of an executive virtual assistant, and here's what to expect. First, there's last minute changes, meaning there's rescheduling, and then very normal na may mga times, okay, you have to cancel this meeting schedule. You have to check if there is an option for next week. So, mga ganong times na kailangan mong maging vigilant sa Google Calendar and of course sa email for notifications. Next is juggling multiple tasks. So, working for a busy CEO, handling different businesses, challenging siya in a way kasi ang daming papagawin sa'yo. So, you have to make sure na marunong ka mag-prioritize ano yung mga bagay that will serve the organization ngayong araw na ito. So, yun ang dapat mong i-prioritize. Next is, okay, one second, my email. Alright, so high pressure days. Yun yung mga araw na um, hindi mo alam kung saan mo kukunin yung courage, yung clarity of the mind, and very pressured ka sa mga bagay-bagay, sa mga nangyayari. But still, kahit anong um, challenge man yan, you stay calm, compose, and inhale and exhale para mas makapag-isip ka ng solusyon sa mga problema na yun. It's actually pressure is privilege, a privilege for you to grow and be more solution oriented sa mga challenges na dumarating bilang isang virtual assistant. So, yun lang, and I'll be making more videos regarding my virtual assistant journey. So stay tuned and follow me. Bye.